Electronics. All about electronics.
This is the small GPS tracking system. When you press this button, the GSM sending the text message and the Google Map location also. See, the button is the pressed by Pratik and location is the when I press this location, then the location is the open. I open this location, then the automatically Google Map is the open, and just you press the direction button, then Google Map generated the automatically path and you find to very easily. And this video is sponsored by the Next PCB. You just type in the Google in www.nextpcb.com and go to this site. This Next PCB is manufacturing the different type of layer PCB. Is the very good quality, providing the very good quality of the PCB. If you want, then please visit one time also. And this manufacturing the 2 layer 4 layer is the different type of the layer PCB. You just go to the site and upload your Gerber file. When you uploading your Gerber file, the Gerber file is the exact, and it's so that in material layout you choose your own. If you want to change the color of the PCB, then you change your color PCB also. You just upload your Gerber file, and is the manufacturing is the only 24 hours. If you want to the urgently, then you order it quickly. Is the 4 and 6 days is delivered in your address. See, is the so many content you change it. I mean the skin size, hole, all the things you change it. Is the very interesting things. And yeah, is the all details is given in my video description. If you want, then you use my coupon, and if you use my coupon, then use a little bit discount in your order. channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification first. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.